Wagwan people, you don't know say Yardman Sports and today we have to forward in a full black, you see me? Because a bag of things go on today we never did for go on people and we need a little bit of mourning, you see me? People me don't even know if things that I'm going to talk today I go rhyme. I'm just chat some things that on my mat. Well, it probably like a rhyme a little bit. So the intro go again now. You don't know say the Yardman Sports in a minute and I represent for a thing called Baddis in a Paris. You don't know say the coverage of the Jamaica Olympics down in a dirty Paris. Yeah, me say dirty Paris. Because people from the opening ceremony they go on, you know. Alone stain and drama and problems down at the Olympics, you know, people. I like me I tell, I'll be a foolishness go on, you know, people. So people, let me start off with the bad news first. The news when all of we hear it, when you're dead off, end up in a casket and I back on our earth. Because people Shelly, aka Remy, aka Muma Rocket, aka Zion Mother, aka champion, Pantapa champion, legend. She don't show up for you. She don't show up for you, serious people. People me nah lie, the thing they make me cry. Tears well up in my eyes. So people, of course, Shelly never get for run. But one video circulate around the internet. But we see Shelly at the gate, she and Shakari. And them a move with her like she a bait. She can't get for going at the same gate where she normally walk through. So them tell her say she have to go walk somewhere else, people. She have to walk around the stadium, people. For going a little training venue, people. A little warm-up spot, people. She have to walk around the whole of the stadium, people. But 110 miles, I'm not sure if I saw it go. Yeah, but 110 miles she have to walk, people. And them say she injured, and I feel like say, right? I feel like say the injury because she have to walk and she couldn't get to go through the gate. But that's still up for debate. And that's my analysis that of the situation, people. And then mash up Shelly, dirty Paris. If for the last time we see you on one track around 100 meters, Shelly. Thank you so much for all you do for Jamaica and Mama Rocket. This is an ode to Shelly, you know. Shelly, big up yourself, you know. You have made Jamaicans proud. Every time we see you, we have to get loud. Cause of beer, vuvuzela, and nice. Shelly, you have been our prize. Thank you for your service. So of course, Shelly never get to run the semi. But you see Tia, she said she did ready. Cause my girl make it right through. I mean, now let me feel like I'm profit. Cause me tell my brethren and say she can run 10.72. But hold on there, she never come through. But that same time, I went to other Caribbean boo. Big up yourself, Miss St. Lucia. Julien Alfred, yeah man, you dominate my girl, you see me? People, you should have Shakari face. Because them feel like them they take the first place, but Julien Alfred deal with it. Oh, wicked, you see me? I won Caribbean, not because I know we win. Once in America win, you know. You know, so we're happy done. We're happy done. But you hear me now? Big up yourself, Tia Clayton. You did well, my girl, and make it to the final. But right now, more, you look straight on the 4x100, because right this year, medal and make a rival. And next piece of sad news with the 4x4 mixed relay team. Them come through 6. Them kind of run out of steam. But anyway, it's a girl named Fenke Bull. I should have Fenke Bull, them call her. Because that girl that always a come for war. My girl, they run on the US girls a star. I nah like she run on the US girl and left her in a dust. The only thing left for them to write and our cuss. My girl, big up yourself, here. Next piece of bad news I know. Adele, she never make it through in the extra 800 meter race that she get for a run. But she have a 1500 that come. And that race there, she not ramp with it, she not take it for fun. And now, our feature presentation. This girl have a 1 minute already done. I saw it go. My side, I see Akeem, Oblique, and the Super Saiyan Kishian, the whole of them in the 100 them gone through. And so right now we reach the semi-final, the final, we make them sick of it, like them have flu. So people, the next one you know, the one that is a big thing. Cause you see the brother when named Rajendra Campbell, the man get a bronze medal when he shot put him fling. Yo, big up yourself, you know, bro. Them feel like say anybody get the medal like say a stone you a throw. But I true them don't even know. So we come to collect every medal. We come to clean up the place like that, you see me? Last one I know my side, and I triple jump. Akira Smith never get to pick up a medal. But don't watch on face my girl, we still read some great things about you. Whether in the Gleaner Observer or in the Herald. But hear me now, when you see Shanika Ricketts, on the podium my girl book her ticket. Cause finally, she get a medal. Silver. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. But yeah man people, you don't know say I hit that for the third recap. But catch you tomorrow when we flip over them arc and use the speed and burn off them heel back. I'm out.